Are you already preparing for your New Year's resolutions? And what is your motivation to make those resolutions? Is it because everyone does it? And do we somehow believe that we have to wait until the first day of the new year to put all that pressure on yourselves? My name is Anne, and today I'm going to explain to you what is the true motivation of our change and why we should align our changes with love in order to truly succeed on the long term, and to feel that our changes are filled with motivation and fueled with love for ourselves, instead of shaming our way to change and putting all that pressure just on one day. Because every day is actually an incredible day to evolve and grow. And the most important part of our growth is actually the seed from which it sprouts. If you are trying to change because you believe that you are not good the way you are, then your change is fueled with fear from lack, believing that it's not good enough the way it is, and wanting to move away from that. A way more powerful way to change is from love. To say, I love myself, like I love my friends and the people around me, and I want to give the best of myself this year and want to be open every day to what that is, while simultaneously staying anchored in who I am today and learning to lovingly hold space and accept the patterns that we have. Because if we want to say, for example, I want to eat healthier, we first need to love and accept and understand why we are sometimes grabbing those snacks, why we are trying to cope, why we are trying to support ourselves somehow. Because if we do emotional eating or smoking or whatever we're doing, we are actually just trying to bolster pain. We're trying to cope with a fear or with an insecurity. And therefore, the way out is not shame. The way out is true. To accept where you are today and then create space to where you want to be, but to let that motivation be love over fear, and to know that we don't have to wait until the 1st of January, but we can actually make those small changes today. So just as we finish this video, just take a few conscious breaths and just remind yourself, I am already a great person the way I am. And whatever action and whatever change I invite into my life is because I have a willingness to thrive, because I am worthy of feeling good. And I have the power to change my life for the better and for good. Not a temporarily fear-infused and induced change, but a long-term and sustainable way that becomes a way of life and your pathway. So I hope this was helpful for you, and please check out the gratitude meditation, and you find the link here if you're interested in truly embodying and practicing a deeper sense of gratitude and appreciation as the nourishing soil for any change and manifestation. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful start of the year, or whenever you watch this, start of the day. Thank you.